Let's see exactly how this Tesla is built, part by part.
This car is engineered as a complete system, not assembled like traditional vehicles.
Software and battery architecture define this car long before metal ever moves.
Most of this vehicle is designed digitally before factories physically begin production.
Assembly starts with simulations, data, and energy systems, not tools or workers.
Lightweight aluminum structures are prepared with extreme precision before vehicle assembly begins.
Large structural sections are cast as single pieces to reduce complexity.
Battery cells are built through tightly controlled processes, ensuring energy consistency.
Individual cells are assembled into modules that balance energy density and safety. Thermal systems protect battery packs while maintaining performance across demanding operating conditions. The battery pack becomes a structural foundation supporting the entire vehicle platform.
Robotic welding joins structural components with consistent accuracy across every vehicle body. Exterior panels are aligned precisely to ensure structural fit, aerodynamics, and finish quality.
Body surfaces are carefully treated to ensure durability, corrosion resistance, and paint quality.
Robotic systems apply paint uniformly, while engineers oversee quality across continuous production lines. Controlled curing hardens paint layers evenly, ensuring durability across every vehicle produced.
Electric motors are assembled with precision to deliver efficiency, torque, and reliability. Power electronics convert stored energy into precisely controlled motion for electric drivetrains. Motors and power electronics are integrated precisely, forming the vehicle's electric drivetrain.
Front cabin components are installed precisely, defining ergonomics, control layout, and driver experience.
Seats and restraint systems are installed precisely to ensure comfort, safety, and stability. Wiring harnesses connect every system, enabling power and data flow throughout the vehicle. The vehicle receives its wheels, becoming mobile for the first time in production.
vehicle software is installed and calibrated, enabling coordinated operation across all systems.
Glass panels are installed precisely to ensure sealing integrity, visibility, and structural strength. Doors are installed and aligned careful to ensure sealing accuracy and consistent operation. Exterior trim and lighting are installed to complete visibility, safety, and vehicle identity. Approved vehicles are loaded carefully, beginning their journey beyond the manufacturing facility.
Completed vehicles begin their journey, transported by road toward regional distribution centers. Vehicles are shipped overseas, extending manufacturing precision to global markets worldwide.